Who's that one from, Luca?
Kiki.
Nope, that one's from Mima and Papa. Mima and Papa.
Apple. Mima. Mima, Papa.
Mima and Papa.
All right.
All right. You got a little piece of tape stuck?
How?
You want Mommy to get it off? Did you get it?
See that?
Good boy. It's in there.
Whoops. See that?
You did it. Good boy. What's in there?
In it.
What's in there? Open it up. Open it up. Open it up. Keep keep looking. I think it's gonna be something cute. Keep open. Yep, a present. What is it, Luca?
Blanket.
What? No, it's not a blanket. Look, honey. It's a look it. Look it. It's a shirt with a tie. It's so cute. Look it. Look it. Look, Luca. It's a shirt with a tie.